a.m. Thursday. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, and west central Illinois. When? Until 6 a.m. Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the strongest wind gusts are likely to occur 9 p.m. through 2 a.m. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.